Periodic table. Idea for periodic table is provided by Prout. Name of scientist Prout. First of all, Prout proposed that all elements are made up by hydrogen. Hence, property of each element must resemble, must match, similar to the property of hydrogen. But later on, this concept was declared wrong after the Prout Dobereiner, name of scientist Dobereiner, suggested his idea about periodic table. After Dobereiner, octet rule is provided by Newland and Duma provided its homologous series, but with respect to time, with passage of time, all ideas provided by these scientists became meaningless. Again, Mendeleev tried to build up a periodic table, but he remained failure in his target. For this, there are many reasons, out of which some reasons are as minimum discovery of element in that period, in that time, no availability of experimental facility like modern age. There are some difficulties in that time. On the basis of that, Mendeleev tried but failed to put forward a acceptable periodic table. At last, modern periodic table will come. It is based upon electronic configuration, that is at the atomic number, and success to compare physical and chemical properties of a lot of elements. So, modern periodic table proposed by Niels Bohr is taken under consideration. Later on, few new elements are discovered. So when these discovered new elements are adjusted in periodic table, its size becomes large. The being large size, being big size, modified periodic table or modern periodic table is also known as long form periodic table. Father for long form of periodic table is Moseley. In long form of periodic table, you can find the name of scientist Moseley. The long form of periodic table which is acceptable nowadays is proposed by Moseley. Moseley is scientist. So now some idea about long form of periodic table. Listen again carefully. Mendeleev periodic table is based upon atomic weight, which remain failure to provide an idea for comparison of physical and chemical properties of elements. Niels Bohr proposed or modified Mendeleev periodic table, which is known as modified periodic table or modern periodic table. It is based upon electronic configuration, that is an atomic number. Later on, when new discovered elements are adjusted in modern or modified periodic table, then size becomes bulky, large, big. Hence, modified or modern periodic table after extension is known as long form periodic table. So now some features, some quality, virtue or merit for long form of periodic table. Long form of periodic table, physical and chemical property of elements or periodic function. Periodic function means repetition of similar properties after some interval of their atomic number. It consists two types of columns.
मेरा 40 मिनट
That is vertical column and horizontal column. So this is vertical column known as group, and this is horizontal column known as period. Now group. It consists 18 vertical column called group. Group first to 7 are divided into two subgroups. A and B. There are 3 subgroups in 8th group. 0 group, that is 18th group, has no subgroup. Now some features of group. Elements from first A to 7th A having one incomplete cell called normal element. First A to 7th A means first group, second group, 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group. Elements from third B to 7th B and 8th group having 2 incomplete cells. That is outermost cell and penultimate cell. Called transition element. Third B to 7th B and 8th group means third group, 4th group, 5th group, 6th group, 7th group, 8th group, 9th group, 10th group, 11th group, 12th group. Third element of 0 group having complete cell, not incomplete, total complete cell, called inert gas. Zero group means group 18. lanthanide and actinides having three incomplete cell called inner transition element. Now next topic number 4. Lanthanide and actinide having three incomplete cell, that is outermost, penultimate and inner penultimate. Inner penultimate are known as inner transition element. And now some idea about period. Period periodic table consists 7 horizontal columns called period. Characteristic of period: first period is known as very short period. And contains only 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. Second and third period are known as short period. Short period, each of which has 8 elements. That is for second period. Lithium 2, neon. For third period, from sodium to argon. Number C, fourth and fifth periods are known as long period. Each of which has 18 elements. The sixth and seventh periods are very long period. Each contains 32 elements each, but elements are placed in main body. Are each sixth and seventh period. And the remaining 14 electrons, 14 from sixth and 14 from seventh, remaining 14 electrons of each, that is from sixth period and seventh period, are placed at the bottom of periodic table. Remaining 14 elements of sixth period called lanthanide, while 14 elements of seventh period called actinide. Both lanthanide and actinide are placed in bottom of periodic table. Below the bottom means below the periodic table, not in main body.